What is a bail hearing? Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about what a bail hearing is and what that looks like for you. So, anytime that you're facing criminal charges, the court is going to set a bail amount, um, unless it's something absolutely just egregiously heinous, like if you're facing a quintuple homicide, yeah, you're probably going to be held without bail. But usually, the court's going to set a bail amount, and it's going to be an amount that the judge deems to be appropriate, uh, given the situation. Given your financial situation, given the severity of the charges, this, that, and the other. A lot of times, you'll see on a legal drama like Law and Order, they'll be talking about, well, Your Honor, they've got a passport and they've got access to jets. Don't let them have bail because they'll leave. Or the defense will be saying, Your Honor, they're an upstanding member of the community with family here and they've lived here their entire lives. They're not going anywhere. These are actually real things that the court considers. The court's going to be looking at, what incentives and ability you have to flee the state, flee the country, or what incentives and what do you have that's going to ensure that you stay here and that you make your court appearances and continue to show up until the case gets figured out one way or the other. That's why the court sets bail, and they have to set an appropriate amount to ensure that you have enough incentive to keep coming back. But it's going to be within reason. And when I say within reason, I mean you're not looking at a $5 million bail for a petty larceny case, but you're probably looking at a few $100,000, if not more, for like child molestation or for manslaughter or murder or something like that. Because obviously those carry heavy penalties, and sometimes people, they don't want to roll the dice; they're just going to run. That's ultimately what the court's looking at here. They're going to be looking at, what monetary promise is it going to take to incentivize you to make sure that you make your court appearances. Sometimes the court will have a hearing on that. Sometimes the judge will just set it, and then your lawyer would have to file a motion to have it heard to get it reduced. If you got questions about this, or maybe you're already out on bail or you're looking at a bond that's too high, give me a call. We'll talk about it. We'll file the paperwork that we need to file. We'll do what we need to do to make sure that you get taken care of. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy.